Hello again, and thank you for watching this video. Today we're going to talk about regression, how to run it in Excel and in Stata. In one of the previous videos we talked about the correlation. Now we're going a step further, running a regression. As always, I'm going to show you first how to do that in Excel and then afterwards in Stata. One key mentions I want to make right now in the beginning is, first of all, that is a video for academic purpose, so the data I created are fictional. There's no real meaning behind it or real value, so the purpose is to show you how to do that technical. Since I have said that, to the technical part, please keep in mind that Excel and Stata is only a tool for your thoughts, for your brain. You need to use your head first. Otherwise, you don't know what to do. Well, I show you how to do the technical, but if you get a result, it's up to you if these results are correct, how to get the interpretation done, and to figure out, is there a causal effect or is it just a correlation, and what to do, what does it mean for the academic purpose of your, well, let's say for your academic journey or your project you are working on, right? So please keep that in mind. It's really important, right? Otherwise it's totally useless. So having said that, now we can start. As you can see, we have in column A a few names, and in column B there are income, which is the dependent variable, and in column C we do have years of education. Now we click on data, then data analysis, regression, and yeah, I already did it before. So the input y range is the dependent variable, then the years of education is the independent variable, that's the x range. Then you click labels, since you started with B1, which is not numeric, and confidence level you want to have. And usually I go for a new worksheet because I really don't like to have the output next to the data. And then you want to have residuals or standardized residuals depending on you, right? And then you can have few plots. Okay, check that out for yourself, what you have to do and what you would like to do. You click then on OK, and you get, you get few graphs over here, but these are not that important for the moment. Most important here is line 18. Obviously, that's what I usually check first. We see in cell B18 a value from the coefficient about 12.69. and quite, yeah, well, t statistics 2.22 and a low p-value. If you're an experienced in economics and how to read that, you probably see automatically if there's a significant or not. I will leave that up to you to find that out. Otherwise, if you have no clue, watch the video till the end or leave a comment below. And yeah, the rest is automatically also clear. We have an R square about 0.49. Adjusted R square is always usually lower. If you don't know what that is or how to get the interpretation done of that or what's the formula behind it, leave a comment below and I probably will do a video about it. And the rest is also clear, I guess, right? So figure that out for yourself, since you know how to do that technically now. So, and now comes the fun part. I'm going to show you how to do that in Stata. So we open Stata. I already inserted and I did the correlation again just to show you how to do that from the previous video. Just one line of commands, and now rerun the regression. Oh, I did it here. So you type in regress or reg, it's the shortcut. Then usually not usually, always the dependent variable comes first, and then the dependent variable. Either you type it in or you make a double click on that. I'm going to show you. So I show you income space, and then either you type that in or double click. Then you can go for some options, but not today. If you are new to Stata, that will only confuse you. Check that out for yourself if you want to do that. And then you enter that. And what you will see is the exact same values as given in Excel. Otherwise, yeah, there would be a mistake somewhere. Now, yeah, that's how it looks, how in the academic journals you usually read, or you get in the lecture, or you want to create that for yourself. Now you know what to do, and as said in the beginning, think about it, make your thoughts. Is it causal? Is it correlation? What's the meaning behind it, behind each value, as you can see. Now I show you a smooth trick. Type in estimates table, comma, star, which will show you if we do have a significance of the percentage level of 1%, 5%, or 10%, we would get some stars over here as asterisks, right? Since we don't see them, there's no significance. So meaning in that example, we can check that in browse again. There's no causal, and causal is always an interpretation, but for now there's no significance from the years of education to income, right? So put differently, income is not necessarily defined through years of education in that example, right? So as in the video said, that's not usually the case, but I created a fictional data sheet, and that's most important, that you know how to do that. So that's pretty much it. If you do have any questions, leave them below. Now I'm going to be a big influencer. Subscribe, like, and share. Just kidding. Have a good day. See you in the next video.